Let's talk Bed Bath & Beyond stock. When Bed Bath & Beyond stock squeezed to $7 in one day, it was easy for a lot of traders to get carried away. But what happened after that? You know, in that video I was talking about not holding the stock for too long. I said that the stock would rally to about $4.70. Okay, that's a secondary rally, something that in the stock trading groups we like to call a dead cat bounce. Right? Nothing against cats, that's just what we call it. And it did rally. It actually did rally to about $4. It went to about $3.79, and then it started to downtrend. Okay, the stock today reached a low of $1.92. Anybody who bought Bed Bath & Beyond stock at $7 is now down 66% on their positions. What happened? How is it possible that this stock was once trading at $7 and is now trading at under $2 for part of today? It's because Bed Bath & Beyond stock is not a long-term stock. It's not a company that is fundamentally sound. It's not like Tesla. It's not like Apple. It's not like most Fortune 500 companies. Because even though Fortune 500 companies aren't bulletproof and we can't buy Tesla expecting it to go up forever, Tesla is more stable than a stock like Bed Bath & Beyond, where the stock may rally, 25%, 50%, 100% in one day, but it can just as easily gap down 50, 75, 100%. Now, with stocks going near the $1 level, they are at risk of being delisted, and that's a serious concern. It's not a process that happens right away. Usually, you don't just wake up and your stocks are delisted and you lose all of your money. But it's possible that Bed Bath & Beyond stock, if it falls to a low enough price, will eventually go through the process of delisting, and even just the news of being delisted can cause a stock to tank. It can also cause a stock to squeeze and rally, which is why you'll see a lot of traders talking about these bankruptcy plays. When a stock is about to go bankrupt, you'll start to see a lot of traders, they get excited because the stock might squeeze. Why does that happen? Because if a stock is about to go bankrupt, then short interest increases. There are more and more traders borrowing shares from their firm to sell them in hopes that the value of the shares will go down. They could rebuy the shares and profit on the difference. If somebody buys a share at $1 and the stock goes to 1 cent, they profit 99 cents per share. So if they buy 1,000 shares, then they would make $9,900 on their trade, on their short trade. And so that's what traders are hoping for, is actually for that short interest to come into these bankruptcy plays, because the opposite usually happens, and the short plays, they end up squeezing out. And this brings me to Bed Bath & Beyond stock. How did Bed Bath & Beyond stock go to $7 and then now it's back to $2? It's because the squeeze on Bed Bath & Beyond stock was based on short interest. When a rally on a stock is based on short interest, it doesn't typically last. I'll say that again so everyone can understand. When a rally occurs on a heavily shorted stock, it doesn't usually last. The level doesn't usually hold, which is why I was telling people to get out of Bed Bath & Beyond stock at $4, at $5, at $7. I was telling people to get out of Bed Bath & Beyond stock because the rally is fake, so to speak. It's fake because the rally doesn't hold. It doesn't mean the stock is actually uptrending just because Bed Bath & Beyond went all the way to $7. That was based on shorts, traders who borrowed the stock to sell it. They had to rebuy their positions, causing the stock to go up. But once they covered their positions, then the stock started to tank. They can only cover their position once, right? Once they cover their positions and push the stock up, once the short interest is gone, then the stock has no reason to keep uptrending because they've already covered their positions. This is known as a short squeeze. And this is how most short squeezes work. They happen once. You get one chance to trade the stock properly, and that's it. Today, in our free trading group, we traded a stock called OSCR. OSCR, we got that stock at about $4.60, and when it started to dump and in the pre-market, and then the stock rallied to a high of $5.47, $5.47. So there's plenty of money to be made on these high quality stocks. If you're not in the free Discord, I'll leave the link in the description. You can join anytime. But there's plenty of money to be made on powerful, uptrending stocks. Good companies, small cap, mid cap stocks. It doesn't always have to be micro cap stocks. You don't always have to be trading these short squeezes. Can you just imagine your trading history if you didn't buy all of these stocks that would quote unquote short squeeze? How often do these trades actually work out for you? Is it time for a change? Is it time to trade more high quality, stable stocks and start making consistent money in the stock market? Because that's what we teach on this channel. If you're not already subscribed, please be sure to do so, because I want to bring a new wave of traders into the market, a wave of traders who know how to make money in the stock market because they know about risk and reward. They know about high quality versus low quality stocks. They know about short squeeze plays versus uptrending plays based on market fundamentals that yield them an 80% chance of success or greater, sometimes even a 90% chance of success. Some of our trades have a probability of doing. You see me and my call outs on the short squeezes. This is real, but you have to learn, and that's what we're here to do, is to teach you certain fundamental truths about the stock market, such as the fundamental truth of the short squeeze. The short squeeze doesn't usually last. It's a good trade because it allows you to make money in a short period of time if short interest is covered, but we can't expect a stock that is squeezed upward based on short interest to continue uptrending for more than 1 day or sometimes even 1 hour. Beware the short squeeze because it only happens once. Learn to make consistent money in the stock market by trading high quality stocks, and join the free Discord so that you never miss out on a trading opportunity. See you guys next time.